Hello, in front of me I've got BF6. In this video I'll show you how to share your custom servers. In the beginning, let's go to community and go to my experiences. Right here, you can manage your experiences. Go to Portal Battlefield or scan this QR code. Here we've got unpublished and published servers. Press 3 dots button and select share. Here is the experience code. You can also export, duplicate or delete your experience. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.